All right. So you want more assets
Assets.
versus
Liabilities.
liabilities cost you more money.
Cost you more money.
Cost you money.
Oh.
Cost you more money or cost you money and hurts your life.
Oh.
Cost you more money is like maybe you buy it and it's you got to keep paying for it over and over again. You don't want that. Now, assets make you more money. It enhances your life and it saves you money. Right? It could be one of these. So, for example, you made this kettle, right? This is a kettle. If you bought this kettle and it reduces water, that means you use less water, so your bill will be less. So that's saving you money.
Okay, but what's on your...
It's saving you money. All right? I want you to pay attention again. If you bought this kettle and it reduced water, that means you have less bills. Remember, you have bills. When you get older, you might have water bill, light bill, certain things, phone bill. For example, you get a lot of people that buy cell phones, right?
My mom bought a lot.
Okay, look.
Cell phones.
So you get people that buy cell phones and they get iPhones and all these other things, right? Now, the people that really use these for the benefit are in business. I told you about business. You work for yourself. And they can write this off. They can write these bills off. So every month they might pay a bill of $120 or something like that to have this iPhone. But they can tax write this off. So they're basically getting this phone for free. But then you have other people that got the same phone and they don't have this tax write off. They're just on the phone to use it for watching, apps and stuff like that. When you could just get a phone that costs you $40 a month one time, pay for the phone one time, pay $40 a month. So this phone is an asset because you're going to use it right. If you don't own a business and you tax write it off, it's a liability. You don't want liabilities. You want something that's going to give you an asset to make you more money. In this case, Bailey, look. In this case, the iPhone that's owned by the business or is used by the business is a tax write-off, so it's free. So it becomes an asset. You want assets. Another example, what is this? What is this? What is this right here?
A car.
A car. A car. So with this car, if you use this car, say you bought this car and it cost you $10,000, right? But now you have a bill every single month that costs you around $170. You'd be better off buying a car that may cost you $6,000 that you could pay for it. And then you don't have any bill. All right? That becomes a liability. So assets versus liabilities.